This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Jennifer.demoss. Street Charles Court home ready for a new owner, move in ready, community clubhouse/pool/stocked ponds/trails, 3-bedroom 2-bathroom 1,639 square feet, open floor plan, large open kitchen with tons of cabinets, granite throughout home, remote master bedroom with private master bath, walk-in closets, Kingston Elementary/Benton Middle/Benton High School. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer.demoss at 318-754-8880.